27. My birthday is tomorrow. Your girl is turning 19. Nothing exciting happens when you turn 19. I'm actually going home this weekend. I haven't been home in like a month, so is that true? That might be true. No. Wait. I'm leaving tonight at like 6:30, so I have like the rest of the day. I'm gonna vlog as well because, you know, you were asking for it, practically begging me. So, here we are. Okay, I'm currently on my way to calculus. So I'm done with class for the day. They weren't terrible, they were just like super boring.
Shit, my mom sent brownies.
My mom's sending me brownies.
Oh, dude, I love that for us.
I want to know.
I'll pick.
My brother's almost here. He's taking me home. So, yeah.
Yes.
Wow, it's so much later and I look so much more disgusting. I'm back in my room. Oh my god. I'm so tired. It's probably like 1 in the morning. Also, it's my birthday. Okay, we're back at the mirror, guys. I'm wearing this shirt. It's thrifted. This belt is also thrifted. This skirt I got from one of my friends a while ago. And then I'm just wearing my high top black Converse. Yes. I cut 4 inches off of my hair. Also, look who it is. Oh, Fritz, you're so cute. Here's the outfit for the day. It's like 1:30. I really have not done like anything. But I'm going to the thrift store, so I put on a little look. I have this shirt from Urban Outfitters, cardigan I got from the thrift store yesterday. This belt and my shorts are also from the thrift store. So in the car, is there anything? Some trash ass music. Let's get this shit. Oh, it's good. Oh shit, I can turn right on already. I haven't driven in like 3 weeks and I think it's really showing. Hi, can I get a venti pink drink with light ice? I love being high maintenance. Oh shit, I got 420. You too. Not a crime.